High walls can fail fast. Step 1. Pre-planning and risk assessment. Let's set up safety before anyone approaches the pit. Identify and confirm all high wall locations and conditions. Use maps, drone scans, and current pit layouts to mark every wall. Assess geotechnical reports and wall stability ratings. Note recent ground changes. Blasting, excavation, new equipment traffic. Identify hazards. Loose rocks, bench failures, overhangs, water seepage, visible cracks. Evaluate weather, rain, wind, heat, impacting stability. Confirm minimum safe working distances per guidelines. Define exclusion zones and controls. Brief the crew. No entry beyond barriers.
High walls can fail without warning. Always get geotechnical approval before entering. Consult geotechnical engineers for approval to work near the high wall. Verify if scaling, monitoring, or remediation is required before entry. Request updated slope monitoring data, radar, prisms, and drone scans. Document geotechnical clearance and communicate any restrictions to all crews. Step 3. Area preparation. Mark exclusion zones with signage, cones, barricades, and flagging. Confirm access routes and walkways run well away from potential fall zones. Ensure lighting is sufficient for visibility, especially during early morning or dusk operations. Check if drainage or pumping is needed to prevent wall saturation and instability. Never park equipment beneath high walls unless approved. Full PPE, hard hat, safety glasses, gloves. Near high walls, seconds matter. Step 4. Briefing and communication save lives. Hold a pre-start toolbox talk focused on high wall hazards before anyone approaches. Show safe standing distances and mark no-go zones clearly, cones, paint, and maps. Assign a dedicated spotter when visibility is limited. Their eyes stay on the wall. Review emergency signals and routes, then confirm radio channels with a call and response check.
Step 5. Operational controls near high walls. Keep safe distances and plan your exit. Maintain required standoff distances for light vehicles, heavy equipment, and pedestrians. No exceptions. Position machinery facing away from the wall for a rapid, safe exit if conditions change. Never work or walk beneath overhangs, cracks, or visibly unstable sections. Reroute immediately. Limit time near the high wall to the minimum necessary. Plan, execute, and move out. Maintain constant situational awareness. Scan the wall, communicate, and be ready to exit fast.
Step 6. Equipment safety near high walls. Stay alert. Visibility and control save lives. Verify all alarms, lights, and cameras are operational for visibility. Always wear seat belts. Confirm emergency stop systems function as designed. On slopes, apply parking brakes and set wheel chocks before exiting. Avoid reversing toward a high wall unless unavoidable and strictly controlled with a spotter. Equipment safety mitigates risk and supports compliance. Train smart, work safe.
Step 7. Monitoring and warning systems. Keep eyes on the wall to protect crews. Confirm radar, prisms, and drones are active, calibrated, and stable. No gaps, no blind spots. Verify alarm thresholds for wall movement. Everyone must understand triggers, alerts, and actions. Ensure every worker knows evacuation routes and muster points if instability is detected. Establish clear stop work procedures when abnormal ground movement appears. Pause operations. Communicate. Step 8. Environmental considerations. Spot weather risks, rain, storms, rapid temperature changes, before anyone approaches high walls. Stop work immediately if ground saturation, runoff, or visible erosion increases wall failure risk. Confirm blasting schedules. Do not work near walls shortly before or after any blast event. Continuously monitor dust and visibility. If hazards are obscured, pause operations and apply controls. Environmental checks save lives. Weather, ground, blasts, visibility. Review often, act early, and stay PPE compliant.
Step 9. Emergency preparedness near high walls. Before it happens, Be ready. Review the Geotechnical Emergency Response Plan. Assign accountability. Who calls, who confirms, and who leads evacuation. Identify nearest muster points and evacuation routes away from high walls. Practice the path until it becomes automatic. Ensure first aid kits, emergency radios, and firefighting equipment are available, inspected, and reachable for every crew and shift. Train workers to respond to warnings, alarms, or movement signals. Stop work, communicate, evacuate, and account for everyone. Final step. Inspect the wall immediately after the task. Hidden changes appear fast. Conduct a post-task inspection to spot any changes in wall condition.
Report cracks, sloughing, rockfall, or unusual ground conditions immediately.
Document lessons learned and update procedures based on findings.
Review and update exclusion zones using the latest geotechnical information.